Your voice is deciding your future right now. Every meeting where you stayed quiet, every idea you kept to yourself, every time you rehearsed what to say and then didn't. The people rising past you aren't smarter, they just speak, they just know how to use their voice. This rune formula will help you to discover the true power of your voice and you will love it. In the end of the video I will show you how to use it. The runes are Ansus, Lagus, Manas, Gebo, Sovilo. The rune Ansus is the rune of speech and thought, it will help you communicate clearer. The rune of Lagus is the rune of an uninterrupted flow of energy, so your speech will be flowing like a river. The rune Manas is the rune of the social nature of the human being, rune of the intellect, rune of connections with other people. All this energy will be positively present in your communication. The rune Gebo is the rune of actual communication and harmony and work with other people. The rune Sovila is the rune of the sun energy, the rune of success, rune of victory, and overall a rune of positive energy. So together this rune formula will invite all these positive energies into your ability to speak and to your success. For this rune formula you can use the next incantation. By the power of these runes, all areas related to speaking will be greatly improved and successful in my life. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.